So really try to bounce off the bench.
Oh.
Are we hitting that bench?
Yeah.
I'm gonna come over there and make sure we are.
Okay.
Two more.
Oh.
So these straps are giving us a nice big hold of our back leg up. Everything kind of comes through better. We have one more.
Sorry.